Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Lamborghini Urus drawing. First, let's start by lightly sketching the basic outline of the Urus's body. Think of it as a large, elongated rectangle with a slightly sloped front. Don't press too hard as these are just guide lines. We'll refine them later. This initial step is crucial for getting the proportions right before adding any details. Now, let's establish the key proportions. Imagine dividing the main body into 3 equal parts to help place the wheels and cabin accurately. Sketch 4 circles for the wheels, making sure they are evenly spaced and sized. Next, lightly draw the windshield and side windows, paying attention to their angles and how they flow with the car's body. These basic shapes will guide our detailed work. With the basic structure in place, it's time to add some iconic Urus details. Carefully draw the aggressive front grille and the sleek, angular headlights. Then, define the sharp character lines along the side panels and include the subtle door handles. Don't forget to refine the wheel arches and add a hint of the brake calipers within the wheels. These elements truly bring the drawing to life. For our final steps, let's add some shading to give your Urus drawing depth and dimension. Focus on areas like under the car, within the wheel wells, and along the body lines to create shadows and highlights. Carefully erase any remaining guidelines to ensure a clean, polished look. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Your amazing Urus drawing is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.